Hey, TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique and awesome. The man behind the camera, man.
Detail world, what it do, y'all, man. We out here at this first stop, man. Feels wonderful today. Supposed to be a little stormy today, so we're gonna go ahead and get it. Don't look like it's gonna storm as blue as the sky is. It's a very beautiful day, but say it's supposed to storm real bad a little bit later today, around 2, 3 o'clock. It's approximately 10 o'clock. Late start, man. You know, late nights, you know what I mean? Just trying to enjoy this weekend. I got them lovers with me. Don't want them with me, but hey, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. But if you look at the front of this car, it is riddled with bugs. These bugs look like they've been on there for years. I don't know when was the last time this guy cleaned this car. This car look like it hasn't been cleaned in years. Like, I mean, literally, the interior of this car, you can just tell on how the dirt look. The dirt look old. You know what I mean? Never seen old looking dirt. But we gonna go ahead and get it in here, clean it, vacuum it, wipe it down, do the car thoroughly, you know, get it in and out, get in the back, you know, clean the seats, clean the doors, things like that. Y'all already know, man, we take so much pride over here at Yo Way Mobile Car Care Service, man. So you know how that go. We already got the van out, got the equipment out, so we about to go ahead and start on it. Come on, watch out. But yeah, we got a little dog hair, things like that, so we definitely gonna make sure we get the lily brush, hit it with the hair, dog hair. Make sure we get into the cracks and crevices of these seats. You see how it's hiding, things like that. Clean the back of the seats. You see how I got dust all right here. Doors, you gotta make sure you open those, clean them. You know, get into this little pocket, get in there, stuff like that. Pull that down. You see you got dirt on the back. So it's just a lot of little tedious things. You know what I mean? Getting right here, dirt right up in here, dirt over here, stuff like that. But y'all already know, man, we take so much pride. I don't know if I already said that, but I'm gonna go ahead and get on this interior. You got the all-purpose already out, man. I hope you do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do. Or you do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do, man. You know what I mean? Got some more content coming. We just dropped an episode of A Look Into an Entrepreneur. We got a few more episodes, those coming. I'm working on for next week. But y'all already know, man. I'm gonna keep it going, so you keep it pushing. Stick to the script, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. Y'all remember the front of this car was riddled with bugs. Y'all remember it really had bugs all on the front grille, the paint, everything. We got the whole exterior of the car looking great. It took us probably about 2 hours to do the whole car, but you remember it had road grime going down the whole side of the car right there and in the back. We got all that out. One thing we didn't do today was tire shine the tire. It's supposed to rain, so when it's rain, we definitely gonna do that. But also the tires a little rot, so when I put tire shine on there, it started to disappear anyway. But let me give you a quick glimpse of the interior. Y'all remember what it looked like? It was pretty dirty in there, but we already go ahead and knocked it out. Getting the car back up to standards. You know, we take so much pride in the work we do over here. So we always gonna make sure that we make sure the car comes out right. Make sure we do the job sufficiently. Make sure everything. So we completely got the car done, wiped down everything, seats, doors, windows. So we about to head to the next stop, which is probably about 7 minutes from here, a new customer. She basically just said she had Sharpie on the back seat. Her son got it on the seat, so I don't know if she want the whole car done. I don't know if she just want me to focus on the interior. And then we got one more car to just do the exterior. We did the car last week, but they just need the exterior done. But we finished, man. I'm about to go ahead and head to the next stop, like I said. So always do what you gotta do. I'm gonna do what you gotta do. And on that note, man, like always, man, peace.
Hey, TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique and awesome. The man behind the camera, man.